right, we have arrived at our next destination. I forgot the Tibumana Waterfall, I think. Yeah. So this is the entrance. Very nice, picturesque place. There's a few warungs here, eateries. Warung di Karik Tibumana right there, and then there's a ticket counter. So we're gonna go grab our bag, and we're gonna go get ready. All right. Let's go. Tibumana. 30. How much?
Like 20,000 for each.
Oh, 20. Okay. All right, we got our ticket. Okay. Look at that. See, warung. It's a nice warung. We could have eaten here.
Pizza.
Oh no. Oh no, it's a pizza again. Oh no. Yeah, it's a lot of choices over there.
Oh, panis.
Fishing. Oh, nakahuli oh. Wow. Good job. They actually caught a small fish on a small pond. That's interesting. All right. What is this? It's a temple. That's interesting. Tibumana Waterfall. Alright. Oh. Nice. Wow. Okay. Let's check out this warung. Check out this warung, guys. Interesting. What do we have here? Oh, let's ask this local. There's a local walking around. What do they have? What they have?
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
What do they have here? Oh, okay, just a bunch of stuff. All right. Forward unto dawn. I'm not even sure if that's the right saying, but I keep saying that. Or onward unto dawn.
Oh,
One swing book here. Isang ganun lang. Oh, tapos na po.
I mean, it's there.
You swung once? Okay, that's what you paid for. That's it.
Maybe her later.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll see.
It's her.
Yeah,
I want to fly. I want to dress. Yeah.
They want to dress for their swing. A little bit of a hike. That should be worth it, I think. Oh, very nice place here. It's very foresty. I don't know what the word is. It's basically all trees, different kinds of plants. I like it. Look at that. Look at those plants, huh? What is this? My choices of words in English is very limited. It's basically elementary level, yeah. Look at this. Huh? Good. Oh yeah, I can smell the durian. Oh, they're barbecuing the corn. Barbecuing the corn. Hey, what's up?
Thank you.
Uy, ang ganda dito.
Talon ka na, una-una.
Video.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Smells good. All right, we got our selfie. Let's continue on down. The trek's gonna be a little bit crazy. It's gonna be crazy coming back up. It's gonna feel like Diamond Beach again. Yeah, I don't think you're well equipped for for hiking. Okay. Oh, look at the nature, guys. Look at the fern on the wall there. Wow. Interesting stuff. I don't see Matahari right now. I don't know where she went. Or he went. I don't know. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I can wash my hands there. I don't want to. The little water spout over there. Ooh, look at this place. Very picturesque. Right here. Wow. Look at that. Amazing place, guys. Amazing. Good find, good find. So you have to hike a little bit to the falls. So the falls will be down here, but you have to hike a little bit more. Huh? Yeah. Very nice. Look at that.
Flashlight.
Yes. All right. Look at the plants here. Wow. All right. I don't wanna photobomb them. So take your shot first.
And
Look
this
at
photo
the-
is in Yar.
There's a small stream over here. Hey? I wonder where that came from. Small stream. Alright. Okay, I'll pass to you guys. Whoa, okay. Very unsteady steps. I'm gonna hold on. Your boy don't want to fall down and get wet. Alright. Very nice place though. Look at this. More of these I forgot the name of that plant, but they get a bunch of this. And here it is. I can see it. I can see it. Look at that.
Welcome to Jumanji.
Ooh, welcome.
Gravestone.
Welcome. Yeah, I don't know if I want to dip in the water. The water looks a little suspicious, so but I definitely appreciate the view. Look at that. It's very straight, you know. It's like a rectangle shape. Like usually waterfalls would look a little craggy, you know, but this one looks man-made. Very straight. I don't think it's man-made though. Look at that. Very nice. Nice place. Okay, let's get closer. Get closer to the falls. Kind of wanna. Let's see how cold the water is. And then we'll. Oh, it's cold. Wow. I wonder if it's gonna be like in Cebu where the waterfall hits my head and that actually hurt. I should have brought my swimming trunks here and I can go there, right there. Looks like there's some structure over there. Oh. But as you can see, the water quality is it's a little bit questionable for me to actually go and dip. But there you go. You guys can enjoy the view. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Well, there's nothing much to say. Enjoy the view. Here we go, guys, so you can appreciate the beauty. We just look at it from this location, you know. You can see everything. I hope the ambient noise of the falls can be heard through this camera. That'd be nice. I think that's enough. You guys saw how it is. What do you think? Here we go?
Yeah, good.
Okay, I think we're good. We've appreciated the waterfalls enough. It's very good. Look at that. And then we're gonna go back forward unto dawn. Back to whence we came. Yeah, there's a small stream over here. Nice pile of rocks over there. The hike here is pretty good though. I like the plants, you know. Look at this.
Forest.
Yeah. I wish they preserved this. You know, instead of like putting like metal or concrete. You know, preserve it like this.
Mud.
For years to come. Alright. Making our way.
Did you about firedance?
So sorry?
You want to watch in the firedance?
Is there a close one?
Just close your hotel.
Oh, there's a close one to our hotel?
Yes.
Sure. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
The firedance start around 6:50.
6:30?
Yes.
It's
so-
close to our hotel.
Yes.
Oh,
we
very
can
nice.
Pick up the laundry first. and then-
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I like that. Okay. So we can see fire dance ahead of time.
Yes.
We're supposed to see it in Tanalot, but well, we can see it ahead of time. That's good. Okay. What is up? Yo. What's up, bruh? So we're currently waiting for this thing. It's essentially fire dance about I haven't read it actually. I haven't read it yet.
A choir of 100 men.
Yeah. So basically it's a fire dance. So I'm gonna read it for a bit. You know what? I'll read it and I'll tell you guys about it. One moment. Okay. Finished reading it. Basically the gist of it, there's a beautiful god that got kidnapped by another god, and then the other god got pissed off, so he sent his envoy to the female god saying that, hey, we're here to rescue you. And then Act 4 is the gods basically fight each other, each one with their own army of gods essentially. And the next act is the guy, I forgot his name, Lakshmana, Rama and Sita. They became victorious. They returned home happily. He rescued her from the captivity, and basically that's it. It's a happy ending. Yeah, it's a happy ending story. Very nice. Usually stories with gods don't really end in happy endings, so this is a good one. Oh, they're lighting up the fire, guys. Look at that. Right there. They've started lighting up the fire. Oh. Don't tell me that's the god. He doesn't look like god. It looks like a little bit of wind will Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the kecakfiredance video. I'm actually back in the hotel now. About to get ready to go to sleep. Completely forgot to make like an ending creds. We were so busy getting out of there after the fire dance. I think we had like a couple of pictures. Yeah, after that we were just super hungry and we wanted to go grab some food. And yeah, the rest is basically I'm already here. So anyways, so tired. We did so many things today, guys. It was awesome day. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. You know what to do. Leave a like and subscribe. Put some comment sections. Add some comment in the comment sections. You know, let me know what I missed, or maybe, you know, make some comments about the videos, whatever. See how I can improve the channel. So hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya.